How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're just going to be discussing the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto update that is available from Honda. Now, this is for 2018 to 2022. Not all trims will be applicable because some of them come with it standard, especially on the mid-cycle refresh model. So it will not be free. Some of you may or may not know this already. But just want to clarify a couple of different things. So MSRP is suggested at $112 plus, labor costs. So I think each dealer will probably charge around half an hour, 3/10 to half an hour or so. So depending on the labor rate or your dealer, you're probably looking around 60 to 75. Some dealers may overcharge anywhere up to $100, $150. I mean, it really depends on the dealer, right? But you figure half an hour or so, it's probably fair to perform the update. So at your dealer rate. So if your dealer is 165, so half an hour of that rate. So how this works is Parts actually has to download the license onto a USB drive and then give it to a technician like myself. And they can do up to 30 VINs at once. You do have to input the VIN to get that license agreement for that vehicle. So if it is certified pre-owned, these cars will automatically get the update for free. If you already own the vehicle, unfortunately, it's going to cost you probably around $200 or so. So obviously now comes in the question of, should I just buy a wireless adapter off of Amazon? A lot of people have a lot more success with that versus the OEM Honda stuff, even on some other trims, some other vehicles. So that's really up to you to decide. Obviously, it's a lot cheaper to get something aftermarket, and a lot of times it does work better. So I think that most people will probably do the aftermarket route. Although if you wanted to do a software from Honda, clearly it is available at this time. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to be offered into other models at this point. It's unclear. Honda hasn't said anything. So really, we don't know. We don't know why they chose the Accords and not some other models as well either. So it is what it is. This is basically all the information we have. And, if you have done this already to your vehicle or planning on doing it, so please drop a comment down below. Let me know your feedback so everybody in question could get some positive or negative feedback from somebody who already has gotten this done from the release of this video. So hopefully that answered some of the questions for you guys. You're not just going to be able to pay a fee and download it onto your car yourself. You're going to have to actually visit a dealer, and will be with a USB drive that gets, uploaded that way and updated in that manner. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.